Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Seibold and thank you for clicking onto this video. After 6.5 weeks of travelling up the North Island all the way to Cape Ranger and down the South Island along the west coast of New Zealand with Emma and Victor, we ended in Queenstown. Now I am on another road trip. However, before this week's video starts, I have created a short recap from travelling with Emma and Victor. Enjoy. Me and David have been on the road for about 3 days now, and today we're driving to Milford Sound, and then we're going to do like a couple-hour hike up there. Shower the past days and we haven't found one, and we don't want to pay for one, and now we've just decided to stop by the lake and just shower in the lake. We have this like biodegradable wash, so it shouldn't be bad for the environment, but it's pretty cold and the water's going to be freezing, so yeah, we'll see how this goes. This is cold. Ja, das war. Scheiße! Scheiße! Nein! Nein, der pisst mich! Was war jetzt eine Pause? Scheiße! Okay, well that was freezing, but we finally found a shower, kind of, and now we're warming up in the car and driving to the overnight spot that we're staying at tonight. Today we drove down from Milford Sound and we visited some Lord of the Rings scene spots, like just movie sets kind of that were filmed here. And now we're at our overnight spot, and we've been having really good food, but tonight we've decided to make our own gnocchi, which is something I've never done, so David's showing me how to do it. So I'm excited to see how good they are, because David's been saying that they're so much better than bought gnocchi, so we'll see about that later. So yesterday we had gnocchi, but it was kind of a fail because the water wasn't getting warm enough so that the gnocchi could cook properly. So that's why I didn't film anything of us eating it, because it just wasn't how it was supposed to turn out. But tonight, it's the next night, and we made gnocchi again, and we've done it a bit differently. We've cooked it in a pan instead of in a pot. So they're kind of like, they're basically just more cooked.
Crust.
Yeah.
They've built up a crust.
Yeah, they've built up like a crust, and they look pretty good. And we've mixed it with pesto. Which is also not what we did yesterday, but yeah. Good morning. So today, or right now, we're at Gemstone Beach, which is this beach where apparently you can find like really nice stones. And we wanted to come here last night, but it was already dark. So we stayed overnight like 2 minutes away from here. And now we're at the beach. And apparently you can find like sapphires, is that right? I don't know, but apparently you can find really impressive stones here, and like worthy stones as well. But this is just a pit stop. So we're here right now just kind of taking a look at this beach because it was recommended to us. And then later today, we're going to be driving to the most southern point of New Zealand. So we're going to do that, do a small little walk over there. And then we're pretty excited about this. We're going to eat at this like fish shop, but it's supposed to be like the best seafood cafe restaurant type of thing that there is in New Zealand. So that's what we're gonna have for lunch, and then tonight we're not quite sure where we're gonna stay overnight yet, but yeah, that's the plan for today. But for now, we're just gonna stroll along the beach and see what we can find. Planned to do a hike up to the top of the Bluff hill, but I accidentally drove to the top. I followed this sign and I thought it was going to bring us to the start of the track, but it actually just brought us to the top of the hill. So now we don't have a hike to do, but it's fine. And apparently there's a lighthouse here as well, and then we're going to go to the fish shop and have some lunch over there. It's the next day and we're at a place called Nugget Point, which is basically just this point on the coastline where there are like small rocks that basically just look like nuggets that like come from the cliff, and it's supposed to be a really cool thing to see, but it hasn't stopped raining and it's windy and it's just gross, to be honest. The weather is just disgusting and it's cold, and yeah. So we're at Nugget Point and we want to walk to the front. It's a 12-minute walk and it's in the full rain and storm. So we've just gotten dressed into like stuff that can get wet basically. But my jacket isn't waterproof, so we'll see how wet I am after this walk. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. We're not that motivated. It's really disgusting weather. We haven't showered in like 5 days. And we just want to, yeah, it's just not the best thing right now. But we decided that we're going to do it. So we need to motivate ourselves. There are other people walking along here as well. So I guess it's not the strangest thing in the world to to walk in the complete storm. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. It's freezing, but yeah, wish us luck. There are people up there that are also walking, and you can't really tell on camera, but it is like just pouring it down, absolutely pouring it down. So it's not nice. It's not nice, and it's so cold. Okay, we've made it to the lighthouse, and we can see the nuggets like in the water. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to stay tuned for next week. Bye.